Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best side pocket console car cup holder on the market, the IOKONE car cup holder. If you've been searching for a smart way to organize your car's front seat area, this multifunctional cup holder and storage box might just be what you need. The IOKONE car cup holder is designed to fit snugly between your car's front seats or between the seat and the center console, filling that annoying gap where things often get lost. It features two cup holders alongside a side pocket, giving you plenty of room not only for your drinks but also for essentials like your smartphone, wallet, coins, keys, or even gloves. It's all about keeping your necessities within easy reach and your car clutter-free. One of the standout qualities of this organizer is its construction. Made with a combination of durable plastic and a high-quality leather cover, it not only adds extra storage but also elevates your car's interior look with a sleek and luxurious feel. The top layer is crafted from cowhide material, known for its toughness and premium texture, while the inside uses Triton material, which is safe, hygienic, and resistant to both high and low temperatures. This means the cup holder is built to last and maintain its appearance over time. Measuring just over 11 inches in length, 8 inches in width, and nearly 4 inches in height, this product is designed to fit most cars, especially those that lack adequate cup holders or have an awkward gap between the seat and console. It's important to note that it works best in vehicles where the gap isn't too wide or too narrow, and where the center console height is compatible with the seat height. Installation is simple and non-destructive. You just slide it into the gap, and it stays firmly in place, making your drinks and items easily accessible without the need for complicated setup. The cup holder itself features 3 different cup outline designs, so it accommodates a variety of cup and bottle sizes. Whether you have a travel mug, water bottle, or soda can, you'll find a secure spot for it here. Plus, the side pocket adds a handy compartment for your phone or other smaller items, keeping everything organized and preventing them from sliding around while driving. Beyond functionality, the IOKONE car cup holder has an aesthetic advantage. The fine stitching and careful craftsmanship make it a visually pleasing addition to your car's interior. It adds a touch of elegance while solving a common problem many drivers face: the lack of convenient storage space close at hand. If you're someone who spends a lot of time driving or often travels with passengers, this product can be a game changer. It helps reduce distractions by ensuring that your drinks and essentials are always within arm's reach, which can contribute to a safer driving experience. Additionally, for families or friends who carpool, having an extra cup holder and storage space can make a big difference in comfort and convenience. Overall, the IOKONE car cup holder is a thoughtfully designed, high-quality organizer that combines style and practicality. It's durable, easy to install, and perfect for keeping your front seat area neat and tidy. If your car is missing convenient cup holders or you just want to upgrade your interior storage, this product is worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Safe driving, and see you in the next video.